My name is Alejandro Buriel. I'm just teaching right now at BLC Spain Business Strategy and Management inside of the MBA program. So basically the question, more than how AI can life-proof your career, is to understand what AI will not do for your future career. People used to think before that creativity was only a place where humans inhabit, but it's actually, if you look at the results from very creative tests or contests like the Maths, International Maths Olympics, actually Google and ChatGPT were able to came up with solutions for 3 out of 4 questions that not even a math professor will be able to answer, right? Like, so they can really become more creative. If we have to think about what humans are able to do that AI will not be able to do, we need to start thinking how we can create value for other people, coming from a space of empathy. How can we help and support? Because AI will never have the desire to help other people, will never have the desire to create a good impact, right? Like it doesn't have that drive or motivation. It's not something that is capable of doing. So in the future, one of the things that is going to separate us from AI or machines is our capability to think how we can surround ourselves with kind and clever people and genuinely contribute to help them. Remember at the end of the day that AI is not having any taste. It does not know what is nice or not, but it doesn't really have a conception of what is true, right? Like, so anything can be supported, or you can ask an LLM to actually create a lot of material to support an idea, but it will never get into the ethics of it. Is it the right thing? Is it the wrong thing to do? And I think one of the key points is like how we create good for society, how we are able, again, coming from a space of empathy, to create solutions that can solve problems that humanity has, using the combination of the kindness and also the cleverness of people and that authentic drive to help and solve an issue in the society.